Hello, I'm Congresswoman Betty McCollum, and I want to talk to you today about the Affordable Care Act, the ACA. As you know, President-elect Trump and Republicans in Congress are weeks away from repealing the ACA. They want to once again let insurance and drug companies profit from controlling your health care. An estimated 20 to 30 million Americans will lose health care coverage when the Republicans dismantle the ACA. What are Republicans thinking? The ACA has provided health, security, and dramatically improved the lives of our families, friends, neighbors, coworkers, for all Americans. And I really mean all Americans. No matter whether you get insurance from your employer or you buy it on your own, you benefit from the ACA. You benefit when you take your child to a wellness visit. You benefit when you go in for a colonoscopy or use other preventative health services, and you don't have to worry about a copay. For anyone who used to have to worry about paying for their insurance, the ACA has made your health care coverage more affordable by expanding Medicaid and offering additional financial help. People are getting the care they need. For the 120 million Americans with pre-existing health conditions like asthma, diabetes, or high blood pressure, the ACA protects you. No longer can your insurance companies deny you health care coverage, and the ACA means insurance companies can no longer set annual limits or lifetime limits on your coverage. So if you're a cancer patient, you can get the treatment you need without one day worrying that your insurance company will just stop paying. Before the ACA, I used to hear from constituents who had received life-threatening diagnoses. They were denied health care because they had run up against the caps in their insurance companies. Others were forced to file for bankruptcy because they needed health care. Because of the ACA, insurance companies cannot deny or leave a cancer patient in financial ruin. For women, the ACA means equality. Not only are family planning and mammography and other preventative services guaranteed, but women can no longer be charged more than men for our basic health care coverage. For young adults, you can stay on your family's insurance plan until age 26 because of the ACA. And for our seniors, many who live on fixed incomes, the ACA has lowered the price that they pay for prescription drugs. And under the ACA, the donut hole in Medicare will disappear completely in just 3 years. The ACA is working for all Americans, but it's not a perfect law. Many of us have been trying to make common sense changes to the ACA to reduce costs or even furthering the better quality health care you and your family receive. Republicans have absolutely refused to work with us to make the ACA work even better for the American people. Instead, Republicans have turned the ACA into a political weapon, voting 65 times to repeal or undermine the law. I want to be clear. By repealing the ACA, President-elect Trump and the congressional Republicans would take away insurance from millions of Americans. People will see higher premiums and less coverage, and that's a fact. While Republicans say they want to replace the ACA, they've had 7 years to come up with a replacement plan, but they still haven't put one forward, not one. Under the Affordable Care Act, Minnesotans and Americans have access to insurance and high-quality care. And you can count on me to fight every Republican effort to repeal the ACA and put at risk the health and financial well-being of millions of Americans. And I'm asking you to join me in fighting to keep Minnesota healthy, to help our seniors, to protect our families from losing insurance and vital consumer protections that keep our communities strong. Thank you for listening.